It's me again. This is my newly acquired Vornado Model 80 box fan. They have this in the 80X, which used to be the 810, I believe. The 80X used to be the 810. It had the fancier controls and the kickstand. This thing does not. This is the basic box fan, but that's fine. I don't need all the extra features like 99 speeds and a timer. Moves a lot of air. It is actually very high quality for a modern box fan. This thing easily runs circles around even my premier model Lasco box fans and aero speed / cam air and comfort zone, which I think is pretty much the same thing, different grills. Medea, Amazon Basics. No other modern box fan really even comes close to this. The only thing that does is the metal bladed Lasco, but that's been discontinued for I think over a decade. Maybe not that long, but it's been a long time. I haven't seen one of those, and not many of them survived, from what I've been told, because the motors couldn't handle the. And I'm guessing it's because the motors couldn't handle the metal blades. Anyways, without further ado, turn it on. So this has 5 speeds. It always starts on high. That's my only pet peeve, is it doesn't have a memory. Even if you keep it plugged in, it doesn't have a memory. You have to turn it, turns on high, and then you have to cycle it down. Anyways, here's high speed. Now I will say, on low speed it is rather quiet. This is about on par low speed with a both noise and air movement with a second generation Lakewood. A little quieter, a little more movement than a 37, 33. A lot quieter than a B series Lasco, because they just run that motor a lot faster. Turn it off and show you what I mean about the speeds. So it's off, still plugged in. So yeah, it goes right back to high. One feature I do really like is the Easy Clean grill. You have one screw on the back. It is on the bottom. So you have that little screw right there. You take that out. And then this grill turns counterclockwise and it pulls off. Then to put it back on, put the grill in, line up the tabs, counterclockwise, put that screw in the back. A lot easier than, what is it? Modern Lasco fans have like 6 screws. I think the older ones have 8. Or the new ones might have 8. But yeah, it's like 6, 8 screws, or in the case of the all plastic ones, you gotta take the whole fan apart to get to clean the grills and the blades. So yeah, it's a typical Vornado build quality, very well built for a modern fan. I will say, I mean, you do get what you pay for. This is an $80 fan, so you do get higher quality. And the 5-year warranty / guarantee is nice. And me having bought this new and having bought my other Vornado new, they're still covered under their guarantees. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. When I have something with videoing.